Introducing Auto Escape by InGear, an innovative multifunction auto emergency tool that integrates a high-powered LED flashlight and 2 life-saving escape tools. Constructed with military-grade aerospace aluminum, Auto Escape is fully waterproof and impact-resistant. Press the button once for high beam, again for low beam, and a third time to enable SOS mode. On high, Auto Escape puts out 135 lumens covering up to 492 feet. No matter what mode you're in, simply hold down the button and the beam will immediately shut off. Auto Escape comes with a car mount for easy access in an emergency. Peel off the 3M tape that comes in the box. Press and hold to the desired location, applying pressure for approximately 1 minute. Once the mount is attached, Auto Escape is ready to go. Auto Escape has 2 built-in escape tools to quickly get you out of an emergency. To cut the seatbelt, make sure the belt is pulled tight. Open the cap to reveal the blade. Position the blade inside the belt and slice away from the body. To break a window, use the exterior steel ball on top of the cap or the sharper tungsten steel punch beneath the cap. Hold Auto Escape tightly in your fist and make a stabbing motion towards a corner of a side or rear window, not at the center. Auto Escape gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared when emergency strikes. Auto Escape by InGear. Always there, always prepared.
This is the Schrade SCX4 Tomahawk, a versatile instrument useful in a range of applications including rescue, survival, tactical, and everyday outdoor adventures. The SCX4 Tomahawk delivers chopping, cutting, and penetration power in a lightweight package. The SCX4's axe head is cast from rugged 3CR13 stainless steel and is powder coated for increased durability. Chop, cut, and slice with a sharp 3.3-inch edge. Use a high grip on the handle's shaft for controlled cutting. Slide your hand lower down the shaft for increased power. For maximum penetration, bring the hardened pointed spike into play. Low-density polyethylene is molded around the axe head's tang, creating a nearly indestructible handle. Over 3 feet of 550 spec paracord is wrapped around the lower end of the handle, establishing a positive gripping surface well suited for aggressively delivering rigorous chopping and penetration blows. For even greater safety, tether the SCX4 to your wrist with the paracord. Protect the Tomahawk's blade by storing it in the black nylon belt sheath. The sheath's twin top snaps keep the Hawk secure while providing quick and easy access. A 3-inch belt loop lets the SCX4 hang comfortably at your side or lash to gear, ready for the moment you need it. A lightweight Tomahawk weighing in at a mere 1 3/4 pounds, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCX4 Tomahawk.
This is the Bear Grylls Tinderbox. It has a grater-like steel cutting surface for making tinder and a tray underneath to catch the shavings. After shaving wood into the tray, push the button for easy removal of the tinder. Next, empty the dry tinder contents onto the collected items you'll be burning. Never start a fire in the collection tray. If your matches are wet or your fire starter is not handy, use the tinderbox's magnifying glass to ignite the tinder. When finished, place the plastic cover over the cutting surface for safe storage. An emergency signaling mirror is located on the underside, and the Bear Grylls Priorities of Survival Pocket Guide is also included. An innovative lightweight lifesaver. This is the Bear Grylls Tinderbox.
I'd like to introduce the Spar Tool. The Spar Tool is a shovel, an axe, a machete, a saw, a hammer, a pick, a pry bar, and a bottle opener. Spar Tool weighs less than 3 pounds and is constructed from spring-tempered 1075 carbon steel and shatterproof Zytel polymer. Its solid build has no hinge or other moving parts, making it lighter and more durable than the competition. Its sharpened edge cuts deep with every swing. Its handle and cutting surfaces are aligned to ensure a safe and effective stroke. The blade splits wood apart. The saw rips through just about anything. And of course, it digs like a champ. The Spar Tool is perfectly balanced, making the reverse end just as useful. It hammers. it unhammers. The spike excels at demolition. The pry bar is tough and versatile. And it opens up your favorite beverage after all that work. Spar Tool is a great addition to your gear kit, whether you're on the road, in the wild, at home in the garden, or in case of emergency.
If you are a seasoned outdoorsman, then you already know that choosing the right equipment is essential when putting your pack together. You will understand the grueling demands of the wilderness, and most of all, you will have a respectful appreciation for nature and know that sometimes your equipment can be the difference between life and death. When the lead engineer of Survival Archery Systems started developing the SAS Tactical Survival Bow, he was already aware of the need for equipment that was properly engineered. Having survived a near-death experience in which his knowledge of the outdoors, together with some well-chosen, critical equipment, had literally saved his life, he set about developing a product for food acquisition that would possibly one day do the same for someone else. Having spent a lifetime growing up in the woods and having spent 15 years as an automotive and petrochemical engineer, he set about developing a set of requirements which encapsulate the 8 critical aspects of a survival bow that you should look for in a premium product. These critical aspects led to a design which was launched after 2 years of development and testing, and now the SAS Tactical Survival Bow is sold to technically demanding people all over the world who understand the need for premium equipment. Packaged bow length is critical to a compact design, and to overcome the need to strap your bow to the outside of your pack, it absolutely must be 21 inches or under when in transport mode. The SAS Tactical Survival Bow comes in at that all-critical length of 21 inches and even fits into most one-day packs. In order to get a bow that does not stack and is still efficient, you need to have the right limb-to-riser ratio, as well as the right overall length. Designing a 60-inch longbow with a carefully chosen limb-to-riser ratio gave the SAS Tactical Survival Bow this perfect balance and a bow that does not stack all the way past 31-inch draw. For long-term survival purposes, it is crucial that all working parts of a bow are fully corrosion resistant, and so Survival Archery Systems chose marine-grade materials throughout. The only part of the bow that is not fully corrosion resistant are the all-important high-tensile steel limb-retaining bolts, which were chosen to give an extremely high factor of safety in the field and only require a light layer of animal fat or oil to remain in perfect condition. Durability is key for a survival bow, and so during the development the engineers employed what is called design for infinite life, which basically means that the theoretical design is capable of withstanding 500 million shots at 31-inch draw. Going a step further, some hefty safety factors were added to ensure a super light bow that will last more than a lifetime. Any composite limb with a through hole is prone to cracking around that hole unless it is properly secured using a correctly torqued bolt and washer system. The SAS Tactical Survival Bow makes use of a positive limb retention system to ensure the limbs remain safe and secure in the field. Having a compact bow is important, but having a solution to store your arrows is critical to your choice of a well-rounded product. The patented SAS Tactical Survival Bow is the only bow on the market that allows for a storage solution of arrows inside the riser, and this comes at no additional cost to space. To reduce pack weight and ease of use, a maintenance-free and truly ambidextrous bow that requires no changing of parts are the last 2 critical aspects of a great survival bow. The SAS Tactical Survival Bow is the only truly ambidextrous survival bow on the market and requires no tools to maintain it or convert it from left to right hand. Simply place an arrow rest on both sides of the riser and swap it between hands. If you are looking for a premium survival bow that captures these 8 critical elements, then look no further than the SAS Tactical Survival Bow.